This is Jordan Parker. He made $50,000 last month with his online business. This is Jimmy Rakowski. $50,000 a month with his online business. Philip Lang, $25,000 a month. And finally, Brett Watts, brand new to this, $10,000 a month. So what do all these people have in common? Well, they all learned how to do this business model from me. My name is Dan Henry, and I'm the founder of GetClients.com. And you might be asking, what is this business that they do? Well, it's very simple. It is one of the oldest businesses in the world, but it's updated for the modern era, and that is simply advertising. There are over 528,000 new small businesses opened every single month in the United States alone, and they all need more customers. They all need someone to advertise for them. And I'm sorry, but TV, radio, magazines, that stuff is not working anymore. What is working is paid traffic on social media like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, just like the ad you're watching right now. And what these people do is they take very simple ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, etc., and they put them out on Facebook for their clients. And once those ads are out on Facebook, they run 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, generating leads for these clients, and they get paid a handsome monthly retainer fee on autopilot every single month, just one right after the other. And all they have to do is make sure that these ads keep generating leads for their clients, and their clients are happy. Now, if you're wondering, okay, Dan, that sounds great, but how do I do that? How do I get started? How do I generate leads for a local business? Well, I'd like to invite you to a call that we're doing today where I'm gonna show you exactly how to land your first client doing this, how to actually run the ads and what we do and what we put on Facebook and Instagram to get them leads, and then how to scale and have multiple clients. All right, just so you understand, the average client, we charge about $1,500 a month. So you can imagine if you had 10 clients, what kind of income you could make. 15 clients, 20 clients. And I have hundreds and hundreds of students that have hit multiple dozens and dozens and dozens of clients. We have over 500 video testimonials on GetClients.com. This is a huge opportunity that is not going away. It's not saturated. The demand is simply too high. There's not enough people out there willing to advertise for businesses on Facebook, Instagram. There's just, the supply does not outweigh the demand. Again, over 500,000 new small businesses every single month created. There is plenty to go around. Click the link. It's somewhere in this video. Attend the call, and I'll show you exactly how they're doing it and how you can get started and really begin building a real online business, not some affiliate crap or even e-commerce or nothing like that. Literally just a very simple, easy to start business that you can run from day one. All right, I will see you guys on the call.